Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's CITI program webinar. Today's topic is studying up, studying down, and studying sideways, ethical considerations in research, and will be presented by Dr. Diana Riviera from Capella University. Diana Riviera, a first-generation Chicana mother scholar, is an award-winning faculty member at Capella University's School of Psychology. She teaches graduate students, chairs dissertations, and serves as a senior editor at the Qualitative Report. Her research focuses on single mothers, U.S.-Mexico borderlands, and identity.
The learning objectives outlined in this webinar feature the main ideas of this presentation. I aim to provide a working understanding of the topic and its intersection with research ethics. I lean on anthropology to highlight the research positionalities presented in this webinar, but overall, I take an interdisciplinary approach to knowledge consumption and production. Before I begin, I'd like to share the roadmap of this presentation. I'll spend some time introducing the topic of studying up, down, and sideways and discussing its impetus. I'll define them and provide examples. I'll move into the ethical considerations for each of them. This will include case studies from anthropology that exemplify each position, and I'll discuss their intersection with the ethical principles that we're familiar with from the Belmont Report. There are challenges to accessing and studying power and influence. Gaining access is one of them. Gatekeeping. Powerful individuals and institutions often have gatekeepers, such as assistants, public relation teams. They control access to them. So researchers must navigate these barriers to reach their subject. Trust and rapport. Building trust and establishing rapport with individuals who are considered of higher power can be challenging, as they may be skeptical of researchers' intentions and wary of potential negative portrayals. Negotiating terms. Researchers may need to negotiate terms of access, which could include limitations on what can be observed, recorded, or reported. These negotiations can impact the scope and depth of the research. Another challenge to consider is ethical considerations. Informed consent. Ensuring informed consent from powerful individuals or individuals at a higher social strata involves clear communication about the research purpose, methods, potential impacts, and how data will be used. Researchers must respect any conditions set by the subjects. Confidentiality and privacy. The ethical strategies that have been presented here all overlap and intersect in some way. What I would point out for studying sideways is to manage conflicts of interest. This can be achieved through clear communication and transparency. Full disclosure. Ensure that all potential conflicts of interest are disclosed to participants, collaborators, and any relevant stakeholders from the outset. Keep an open dialogue. Foster an environment where concerns about conflicts of interest can be openly discussed and addressed.
I invite you to review our content offerings regularly as we are continually adding new courses and webinars in various areas of research, ethics, compliance, safety, and professional development throughout the year.